panel. There. I'm actually here now. Give me a second. I have the hiccups. I'm back now.
Getsy, hi. Getsy, hi. Up, up, up. Come here. Hiccup. Come on. Come here. Up, up, up. Come here. Up, up, up. Angry boy. Aw. Thanks, crisp chicken. Thanks. He's cute, but he's an asshole. Watch. What? What? Good boy. Fuck. I've had the hiccups off and on like all day. It's like as soon as I got up, I started getting them again. He's a miniature American Eskimo. Purebred. Yeah. I'm not drunk. You would know it. Like my birthday stream that I had to delete. Oh my god. What? What are you so mad for? Your life must be so hard, Guts. Good boy. You don't scare me. He's dirty. I need to give him a bath again. A birthday stream was a rough ride, yeah. It's okay, friendly neighbor. We'll see you again. Aw, Gutsy, you're being a good boy. He's very angry. You good? Everything okay? Yep. You okay? Huh? Huh? You okay? To the body stream? What's that? I have tamed him. Oh, birthday. I got really drunk. And I had to delete the stream. Does that work? Biting your dog's ear? Okay! Stop! God, he's an asshole. I love you, though. You be a good boy? You be a good boy? My Discord link's down again. Christ, I don't know why. Give me a second, I'll fix it. He's a good boy. Hey, legend. Good boy. No. A light bite on the ear? I don't think Guts would like that very much. I never knew that. Hold on. If you have a pet dog and they growl at you, they'll never bite you because you feed them. He's bitten me before. But now he's being a baby. A big fat baby. Aren't you? You have so much shit in your fur, Guts. More hiccups? Oh, fuck. Floofy. Hi, Jushin! Jushin, it's been a minute. Thank you. And by minute, I mean, an hour and a half. Just about. He's a good boy. I want Griffith on my lap. You're being weird. Well, kinda. You're being a good boy now. Yeah, I've been live for an hour and a half, dude. Well, emo, give me a bit. I'll consider it. You have so much shit in your fur guts. It traps everything in here. Everything. Sweet little baby. Breast sound effect number 2.
Bruh.
There. I have that one. Yeah. Him pet, him pet, him pet, him gets pets. Okay. Oh. Getty, hi. Hi, sweet baby. Yeah, I did that. He wasn't able to be in my birthday stream. Dude, don't even worry about it. It was a shit fest. When does a Minecraft start? I'm not doing Minecraft. Maybe. I don't know. You guys want to see a magic trick? I can make him leave. Okay. Okay. Cool, right? Ah, these hiccups. Killing me! Bye, Kyrie Sauce. Or, oh no, not you. It's ATB Flame. I'll see you, buddy. Oh. Fuck the Nightbot. Oh yeah, I need to fix my... Give me a second. Oh my god. Here, this is the new Discord link, I guess. And it's also updated in the panel. Nightbot, I don't think so, but I'll do that eventually. Ooh! Hold your breath. Okay. Wait, hold on. They may have gone away.